In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI to write articles, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Let's dive into this exciting and efficient way to transform your voice into clear, written content, perfect for a range of uses from blog posts to formal articles. To get started, you'll want to go to Otter AI. Simply visit the website, and if you haven't already, create a free account or log in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is where you can manage all your recordings and uploads either by recording audio directly or importing files from elsewhere. It's a user-friendly space designed to make your transcription journey a breeze. Now let's talk about recording your ideas. Otter AI allows you two main ways to convert your spoken thoughts into text. The first option is to record directly. Just click the record button and start speaking your article aloud, as if you are explaining it to a friend. The intuitive system captures your voice and seamlessly transcribes it into text. Alternatively, you have the option to import audio or video files. Click the Import button and upload any relevant voice recording, podcast, or video file you have. Otter will automatically transcribe these too, converting your spoken content into a written draft. For example, imagine you're brainstorming an article on how to make money with freelancing in 25. Simply talk through your ideas, either by recording directly or importing a pre-recorded session, and watch as Otter effortlessly generates a written text that you can then work with. Once Otter has done its job of transcribing your audio, it's time to edit the transcript. Open your transcript and treat it like any text document. This is where you'll want to focus on fixing any grammatical errors, rephrasing sentences for clarity, or removing any filler words that might have slipped in during the recording process. Think about adding titles, highlights, and summaries to keep your content well organized and engaging. When your transcript is polished to your satisfaction, it's time to take that content and refine it further. You can copy the edited transcript and paste it into your preferred writing tool like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or Notion. This is the stage where you'll add formatting, headlines, or even use tools like ChatGPT or Grammarly for extra polish. Consider asking AI to rewrite sections in a tone that aligns with your desired writing style, like a blog post or an article rich with SEO keywords. With your article near completion, you have various options for exporting or sharing your work. Otter AI allows you to export your finalized text in formats such as TXT, PDF, or SRT. Alternatively, you can share it directly with your teammates or editors via a secure link. Here's a bonus tip. Use Otter's summary feature to quickly outline your key points and leverage ChatGPT to expand those bullets into fully developed paragraphs. This approach is particularly useful for repurposing content from podcasts, webinars, or YouTube videos into well-structured blog articles. Happy writing!